What are you waiting for to see this home? This renovated 2-story home has an open floor plan on the first floor, displaying a beautiful kitchen and first floor primary bedroom with a full bath. The large kitchen has granite countertops, gray cabinets, stainless steel appliances and a pantry. The second floor has 3 bedrooms and a beautiful full bath. Outside there is a large backyard, which is a great place for relaxing and entertaining. This home is located just minutes away from the interstate and close to many restaurants for your eating enjoyment. The storage shed conveys as is. Don't let this pass you by.